I forgot this nigga was streaming. Listen, first of all, that shit to the left. I know I gotta make it right. Man, that nigga, what is that? That's one of them bitches on GTA. I want those. How am I supposed to make a left and it's straight freeway to the left? Bro, what is this? Y'all tell me what this is right here. What is that?
That's straight San Andreas.
That nigga was floating that bitch. I'm about to race him. I'm about to burn this nigga. Hold on. He can't beat me. Fuck it. I'm about to burn this nigga. I'm about to smoke this nigga. How the fuck you? Acceleration. Bro, can I keep straight right? Is that a straightaway?
Oh, nigga, to ask about.
I'm about to smoke. I'm looking at the cars. I'm about to smoke this nigga.
I'm like a straight shot.
Hunk this nigga. Let this nigga know. Let this nigga know. Hunk at him.
You want to race?
What you wanna do, little dude?
Nah, that music's playing. I don't know. That's sad right there.
He's a school shooter. He got one of them bitches off Mad Max. Yeah, he. Oh shit! Hey, that nigga trying to go. Man, why are the trucks? Oh, he cheated. That nigga cheated. Bro, why's the trucks right here?
Don't big ass out the way.
Oh my god. I don't wanna.
I'm about to shoot that bitch. Get the fuck on.
I'm about to burn this nigga. Hold on, let me sock this nigga. Fuck now. We gotta get something to eat. Hold on, we just passed. I gotta bust at this. That's tough.
That's tough. We need to go this way. Turn around. Abort.
Where you going? Where that nigga?
Skirt. We out this bitch. Oh shit. Woo.
Bro, they go up QT. They go a Jack in the Box.
Fuck the Jack in the Box.
They go a fucking Carl's Jr.
Burger King right next door to the hotel.
All kids can just go to the car joint. That's like some party.
That's tough. Yo, in my stream, my nigga. In my stream. Hey, say goodbye, my nigga.
Man, shooter gang gonna keep y'all going and rolling. That's what we do. You feel me? Say what's up.